You're listening to Historical Perspectives with Mr. Malt. Learn about life by looking at our history. Teachers, for more information about historical perspectives, search Mr. Malt's Marketplace on Teachers Pay Teachers or at mrmaltmarketplace.com. Happy learning!
The power of the sun. How solar energy lights our world. What if I told you that a bright ball of gas far away makes life on Earth possible? That ball is the sun. Solar energy is the light and heat that come from the sun. People have used sunlight for thousands of years to warm homes, dry clothes, and to grow food. Today, we also use sunlight to make electricity that powers lights, computers, and even cars. Sunlight is made of tiny packets of energy called photons. When photons hit certain materials, they can move electrons and create an electric current. This is how solar panels work. A solar panel is made up of many small parts called solar cells. Each cell is usually made from a material called silicon. When sunlight strikes the silicon, the solar cell then produces electricity. Many panels hooked together form a solar array that can power homes or schools. Different ways we use solar energy. Solar panels turn sunlight directly into electricity. You might see these on rooftops, in fields, or on top of buses. Solar thermal systems use sunlight to heat water or air. Some houses use solar water heaters to get hot water for baths and washing. Concentrated solar power uses mirrors to focus sunlight and make very high temperatures. This heat can boil water to drive machines that make electricity. Solar energy is clean. It does not make smoke or release gases that warm the planet. It is also renewable. The sun will shine for billions of years, so we will not run out of sunlight anytime soon. Solar power can help communities that are far from power lines get electricity. It can lower electricity bills and reduce air pollution, which is better for people and animals. Solar power works best when the sun is shining. At night or on cloudy days, solar panels make less electricity. That is why many systems store energy in batteries so people can use it later. Building lots of solar panels takes space, and making panels requires materials and energy. Scientists and engineers are working to make panels more efficient, cheaper, and easier to recycle. You can see solar energy in action with a simple experiment. Place a thermometer under direct sunlight and another in the shade. After a few minutes, compare the temperatures. The thermometer in the sun will be warmer. You can also build a small solar oven from a pizza box, aluminum foil, and plastic wrap to warm a snack on a sunny day. Solar energy is a part of many stories about the future. People imagine cities with buildings covered in solar panels, cars powered by sunlight, and farms that use solar water pumps. As you learn more about science and design, you might invent new ways to use the sun's power. The sun gives us energy every day. Understanding and using it wisely helps protect the planet for everyone. Solar energy turns sunlight into useful power. It's clean, it's renewable, and it's full of possibilities. And you can start exploring it today.
Thanks for listening to this Historical Perspective. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe. Also, search for Historical Perspectives on Teachers Pay Teachers to learn more about other topics, such as the Golden Gate Bridge, Henry Ford, schools in the early 1900s, and so much more. Happy learning!